So Eid being just around the corner, I thought of filming a get ready with me for Eid. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Ring on the bell icon for more future notifications. Let me know in the comments below how do you like my makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so let's start with the makeup tutorial. First of all, I'm sorry for the backdrop is not in place. I don't know how I didn't notice that while filming the video. So first of all, I am using farsali rose gold elixir 24 gold infused beauty oil for primer. Usually this is a serum, so it should be used before the moisturizer, but I have already moisturized my face. I used it as a primer today, and after that I am taking my Catrice foundation. For foundation, I am using the Catrice 24 hours made to stay makeup with antioxidants, and this is a matte foundation. I wanted full coverage today, so I used this foundation all over my face. For my concealer, I'm taking Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer from. So I am in the shade 00 Ivory Maybelline Concealer. Applying the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on and around my mouth, and over my eyelids. It will also act as a eyeshadow primer. I have some hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so I am using the concealer to brighten up my face and under eye area. Also using some of it on forehead. For setting my under eye, I am using Insta Girl Rice Powder by Prime. These two shades from my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm just applying both these shadows over my eyes for the transition. I'm applying it all over the crease and blending it with eyeshadow brush. I'm taking this tree eyeliner. It's an eye pencil from Maxnmore, and not being very particular and precise, and applying it all over my eyes to give that base for the eyeshadow. Now that I have blended the teal eye pencil all over my eyes, I am taking the blue shade and applying it all over my eyes. I am taking the color from Makeup Revolution Milano. It's a blue shade. I will insert a picture of the shade and applying it on 2/3 of my eyes and blending it over and taking a coppery golden color and applying it on outer 1/3 of my eyes on both the sides in a V shape, and just applying and intensifying the color again. I'm going over the blue shade because I think it was not well intensified. Taking those transition colors again and applying it on the transition, blending it with a flat eyeshadow, golden eyeshadow from the Color Spectrum palette, and applying it in my inner corners. Taking a pencil eyeshadow brush and picking up the golden eyeshadow from the Color Spectrum palette, I am applying it in the inner corners and also blending it below the lash line. Again taking the transition shade, just blending it over so that both the eyes are even. And now I am just tight lining my lower lash line and upper lash line for that gold rimmed eyes look, and I just applied the kajal. Again taking the blue shade from the same palette, I am applying it in my lower lash line to pull the look together. the same blue eyeshadow. I am intensifying the color again on both the eyelids. I am just tapping it on the 2/3 and trying to make it even on both the eyes. Again taking the golden eyeshadow, intensifying the outer V, 1/3 of my eyelids. Using my Kiko Milano eyeliner, I am just making a wing liner. This is a bold eye makeup look, so I am bringing the eyeliner out. I will do the other eye offline. Now that the eyeliner is done, I am taking the black kajal again and intensifying the lower lash line and applying it again and blending it with the wing liner, taking the flat shader brush. Taking my Estee Lauder mascara, I'm just blending the falsies along with my real lashes. I went offline and applied the eyelashes. This, as I said already, this is a bold eye makeup look, hence I used falsies. I am setting my face with the rice. For my blush, I am using this peachy blush and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. I am using this taupey shade from the Profusion contour palette and just contouring my jawline, my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead, and blending it all over through a flat contour brush and blending it seamlessly with the blush. Taking this pink champagne color highlighter, I am highlighting my cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, inner corners and eyebrow bones, and also my cheekbones. Applying setting spray all over my face. For my lipstick, I'm using a Huda Beauty Gossip Girl. This is a pink shade. I don't know why the camera is capturing it as a red kind of shade, but it is a pink shade. So this is my finished look. This is how I look with my jewelry and my dress, and I will maybe insert a picture or a clip so that you know how I pulled out this look together. So with that being said, this is how I look after the makeup and outfit. Before I forget, Eid Mubarak. I would like to wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous Eid. Spread love and positivity, and yeah, let me know how you like my video. If you like the makeup look and my makeup, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. For more such videos, click on the bell icon so you get future notifications, and let me know in the comments below how you like my makeup. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching. Keep coming back for new videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.